Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another video. So in today's video we will start a new topic Python iterators. So let's start. First we will discuss these three key points about the introduction of Python iterators. An iterator is basically an object that contains a countable number of values. It is an object that can be iterated upon, which means that you can traverse through all values. Technically, in Python, an iterator is an object which implements the iterator protocol, which consists of the method. So here is a method which is given below slash iterator slash bracket and slash next iterator. So we will see in the example how it goes. So in early videos we have discussed iterable, and now let's see difference between iterator and iterable. Lists, tuples, dictionaries, and sets are all iterable objects. They are iterable containers which you can get an iterator from. So the moral of the story is that lists, tuples, dictionaries are basically objects from which we can get an iterator. All these objects have an iter method which is used to get an iterator. So now let's see an example of a tuple from which we will get an iterator. So here we have a tuple which is my tuple is equal to apple, banana, cherry are three variables in that tuple. So when we will get iterator, we will start with my iterator is equal to iter my tuple. So we will call the value by writing the name of tuple my tuple. So then we will print all these values separately. Print slash next my iterator, print next my iterator. So in output, we will get all these three values, which are apple, banana, and cherries, as one collective output. So that's all from today's video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye.